guys, welcome to Throbs. Before starting, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you can. So today's topic would be the cybersecurity careers, and I'm gonna go through some major cybersecurity careers which can take you to progress further in your information security career, cybersecurity career. So first of all, there are a couple of things. It depends on the interest where you want to go, plus your background. Most of whom it is generally what it takes is cybersecurity analyst to start with, or probably pen testing. So which is entirely different field. So I'm going to go through each of them in a bit more detail. So it's basically acting like a hacker. So it penetrates into the systems with an authorization. So there are different types of pen test, application pen test, or probably network pen test, or it depends. It depends on the requirement. So you can customize it accordingly. So pen testing involves basically to gather the intelligence first and a bit of social engineering, and then obviously you with the need of with the help of various tools you get into the network and generate some sort of report to present your vulnerabilities, whatever you have, whatever your findings are. Security analysts, what they do is they generally monitor for these sort of threats, whatever the threats network have, or probably any sort of intelligence they've been passed on to. They work accordingly. They look into the vulnerabilities or any sort of anomalies. It's an external threats or an internal threat. It depends on the. So they make best use of the network security tools system. And another one is the security engineering. Security engineering. They are security admins, security systems admins, and what they do is they look for the different sort of aspects of it, whether it's security hygiene or security tools onboarding. So they troubleshoot, or they basically making the system secure for the organization. But its overall aim of these sort of roles is to secure the network. There are a couple of others to mention here. They are risk analysis, security auditing, and ethical hacking penetration are the same things. Another one which just comes up in my mind is the network forensics field. So forensic analysts, what they do is they forensically examine the systems, examine memory analysis, looking for specific information within the compromised systems, and finding the root cause of the incident. Or what they do is they carry out different tasks which involves acquisition, memory acquisition, cloning the drive, isolating it from the network, and further analysis within that. So it's a bit of digging into the systems, into the security systems. So it depends on the interest, and as I said, depends on the background. Whatever your background is, you can go accordingly. And further on it, I will bring some more informative videos related to cyber careers. And stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much.
You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah.